In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the shape of a photo in Canva. We'll do this using frames, which are ready-made placeholders that automatically crop your image to a shape. One quick heads up before we start. Your options are limited to the frames that Canva provides, so you'll pick the closest shape that matches your vision. Open your design and navigate to the page where you want the shaped photo to appear. On the left side of the editor, click Elements. Scroll until you see the Frame section. If it's not visible, use the search bar at the top of Elements and type Frames to jump straight to the full gallery. Take a moment to browse the shapes. You'll find circles, rounded rectangles, triangles, hearts, organic blobs, and even stylized mock-ups. Click the frame you like to add it to your canvas. From here, you can treat it like any other object. Drag the corners to resize, drag from the center to move it around, and rotate it if you want a different angle. If you're aiming for a precise layout, watch for the pink smart guides to help you align the frame perfectly with other elements. Now it's time to add your photo. Go to the Uploads tab if you're using your own image, or the Photos tab if you're pulling from Canva's library. Click and drag your image over the frame until the frame highlights, then release. The photo snaps into place and instantly adopts the shape. No manual cropping required. If the subject isn't centered the way you like, double-click the framed image to adjust it inside the shape. Drag to reposition, or use the sizing handles to zoom in or out, then click away to confirm. If the frame is too small or too large, resize the frame itself to get the proportions right. Want to try different photos? Just drag another image over the same frame to replace it in one move. Because frames are pre-built, not every imaginable shape will be available. To narrow your search, try typing specific terms in elements like circle, triangle, heart, or blob. Once you find a shape that fits your style, you can duplicate the frame to keep consistent sizing across multiple images in your design. And that's it. Open your project, go to Elements, choose a frame that suits your needs, and drag your photo into place. This simple workflow gives you clean, professional-looking shapes in seconds, perfect for thumbnails, social posts, and presentations. Give it a try and watch your images instantly take shape.